Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I'm your host Nitin and I'm again back with a fabulous recipe. And this one is the most famous Indian dish across the world. So before I tell you what recipe it is, if you are new to the channel, make sure you press that red button to subscribe, press the thumb icon to like our recipe and show the love and appreciation, press the bell icon to get an instant notification of our fantastic recipe videos. And let us see what we're going to cook today. So today's recipe is going to be tandoori chicken. Yes, the flag bearer of Indian cuisine across the world. And at home we don't have tandoor to cook this, but we will be cooking it on our regular oven. So let us see how to cook tandoori chicken in a oven. And the good tandoori chicken is as good as the marination. So let us do the marination for tandoori chicken. So I have got a one full chicken which is cut into tandoori pieces. We have given nice gashes to it. So it's cut into four. And you have to ensure the chicken is not wet. So if it is wet, you need to pat dry it with a kitchen towel or a clean towel. So let's keep that aside and start with our marination. So first thing is we are starting with around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can use regular oil, but mustard oil gives a very authentic flavor. And we will add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili. This is where the bright red color is going to come for the tandoori chicken. So give it a good mix. Once you mix this well, it's time to add the other spices. So what we are adding is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. So that goes in. Then we got garam masala, which is a 1 teaspoon, and some pink salt, a half a teaspoon. And this garam masala recipe is there in the description box. It's a homemade garam masala. So we will add that as well and give it a mix. It's time to add 1 tablespoon, a full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now goes the juice of 1 whole lemon. So for a half a chicken, half lemon. For a full chicken, 1 full lemon. So that goes the lemon juice. Now it's time to add around 100 gram of hung curd. If you get a Greek style yogurt, you can use that also, but this is regular yogurt which we have been hung for around an hour or so. So all the moisture is removed. Then give this a good mix. So now our curd and spices are mixed. It's time to add some binding agent. So I am adding roasted chana dal powder as a shortcut. 1.5 teaspoon of powder of chana dal. So depending on your marination, you can adjust this quantity to make it a nice and thick marination, so it sticks to your chicken well. So we are almost done with our marination. Last thing goes is a teaspoon of kasuri methi. So you give it a good rub and add it to your marination. And the final ingredient is some salt as per taste. But always remember, you have already added the pink salt. So accordingly you need to add the regular salt and give it a mix. It's time to add the chicken. Do test the marination at this stage. It needs to be little salty, spicy and little tangy. Let us add the chicken pieces. And now they need to be massaged nicely with the marination. Hand works best at this stage. Make sure the marination goes into all the crevices. And marinate this at least for 2 hours. So our well marinated chicken, we have put it on the wire rack, and below that there is a tray with a foil. So this is how it will go into preheated oven at around 230 to 250 degrees Celsius. You have to make your oven to the maximum temperature. So let us put it in the oven and bake for around 25 to 30 minutes. So our tandoori chicken has been cooking for around 10 minutes now. Let us now quickly baste it with some butter. That will bring out more flavor and taste. Let it go back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes till it cooks. So that's the super delicious chicken tandoori made in oven for you. Once you know how to make it, you will always make it for your family and not order from outside. Look at it. So if you like that delicious tandoori, make sure you press the thumb icon. Comment and tell us how do you find this recipe when you try it for your family and friend. Press the bell icon to get an instant notification whenever we do fantastic recipes like this. If you are new to the channel, kindly make sure you press that red button to grow this foodie community. And until we meet again with fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.